Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 15th of December today, Thursday, and in our today's review we will discuss how the US inflation report affected the cryptocurrency market and whether Bitcoin has potential for further bullish run. Then, as usual, in the end, we will have a look at short-term trading recommendations from our analysts, and we'll see a chart for the moment. We will start with an article by Artem Petrenko. And so, Artem says that favorable economic forecasts continue to come true. And while November was quite disappointing for investors, December turned out to be a full-fledged bullish driver of financial markets, thanks to the upcoming easing of monetary policy by key central banks. It's no secret that the world economy is undergoing one of the largest recessions in its history, and central banks trying to reduce, to tame inflation, lead quite aggressive monetary policies. And of course, the key central bank for the global economy in 2022 was the US Federal Reserve. And so in December this year, there was a turning point in the fight against rising inflation. The index, according to the published data, fell to 7.1% year-on-year against expectations of 7.3%, confirming the successful policies of the Federal Reserve and other central banks. Inflation started to decline, and so investors got something to look forward. So the major cryptocurrency reached 18,000 point, busting symmetrical triangle patterns that had been forming with low volumes and low investor activity. Moreover, as we remember, Bitcoin resumed correlation with stock market, and the stock market experienced the largest reversal in 15 years. And analysts believe that it will be followed by a serious upward movement, and most likely similar bullish dynamics should be expected on cryptocurrencies, primarily Bitcoin. After long consolidation, the asset broke out of the 15,600, 17,400 range, and the way to 20,000 point is open, though the presence of a strong uptrend should be confirmed. One more key factor is the Fed's meeting, which was yesterday, and we will see the results on the chart for today, but this article was written also yesterday before the meeting. So markets anticipated a slowdown in the rate hike to 50 basis points, and this is quite positive signal for all markets and cryptocurrency market as well. Moreover, Artem says that we should expect increased volatility during the meeting, and when Jerome Powell gave already a speech afterwards, and we will see this also on the chart a bit later. So as for the technical picture, let's have a look at the chart. The cryptocurrency really managed to hit 18,000 point despite the fierce resistance of sellers. However, don't think that the battle for 18,000 is over, Artem says. Over the next few days, Bitcoin should keep the 17,700, 18,000 range to continue its upward movement. In addition, Bitcoin's on-chain metrics should remain bullish. In the absence of positive dynamics on key metrics, the current growth should be perceived with skepticism. We should bear it in mind. Right now, what we see on the chart, technical metrics indicate that the upward dynamics of the price movement remains. Bullish sentiment is growing and is becoming long-term in nature. Also, Glassnode analysts note that a record number of Bitcoins are in hands of long-term investors. So, as a result, Artem says that despite positive news and growing enthusiasm, the situation in the cryptocurrency market is far from being stable. There is some uncertainty with Genesis and Gemini. We should also bear it in mind. And thus, one should not expect a serious and prolonged upward movement from Bitcoin. The main catalyst for growth now is news, while buying activity remains at a low level. This means that Bitcoin needs a period of prolonged consolidation, but not impulsive growth. Okay. And now let's have a look at the trading recommendations from our analysts and the article by Dean Leo. So looking at the 4-hour chart, the overall bias for Bitcoin is bullish due to the current price being above the Ishimoku cloud, indicating a bullish market. Expecting price to possibly head up towards the first resistance at 18,173, where the previous swing low is. In an alternative scenario, price could possibly head back down towards the first support at 17,297. So Dean's trading recommendations are following. Entry 17,297. Reason for entry: retest first support line. Take profit 18,595. Reason for take profit: first resistance line. Stop loss 16,891. Reason for stop loss: previous swing low. Okay, and now let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And what do we see? Today, 15th of December, and yesterday, first half of the day, the market was quiet. Nothing happened. Bitcoin was at 17,800 something. And then in the middle of the day, right before the meeting, it went up. It reached the highest level at 18,230. And then right after the meeting, it went back down. Down to the same levels. It opened today at the point 17,840, and now it is trading at 17,726. Well, it's really difficult to say whether it's a bullish run or not. It seems like it is declining on the contrary. Okay, we will see as usual. And this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow, our next review. I wish you profitable trading, fantastic day, and we will be glad to see your comments and questions. Goodbye.